Yeah, this is Carl France doing a short training video on how to do some simple computer steps that will be helpful in your business. So let's get started. Let's see here. We'll go over here and start with this page here. Put this over here. We'll start right here with here. So this is your website over at My CBD Income, page 14, Carl France. That's my username. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make an email and copy this link here and hyperlink it in an email without having to use this actual address. So you're all logged in your back office here at My CBD Income. You're at the pages and you pulled up page 14. So now what you need to do is you need to pull up a Word document. So we got a Word document right here. This Word document, I already wrote a little letter here stating, hey, I wanted to let you know I am now in the CBD business, not from marijuana. This is CBD from hemp. Please check here to see, please click here to see my websites on the different products. Click here to see our pet CBD page. So what we want to do is, first of all, this just came out in regular type style. So first thing I want to do is kind of make this a little larger. So I'll go over here. I just highlighted it all with my mouse. So I'll talk about what I did. So I put my mouse right here, flashing line. I click down on my left index finger, not right click, but left. Hold it down, and I walk my mouse up here, and I let go. So now all this is highlighted. I let go. So now what I want to do is right click, and it shows how big everything is right here. So I want to click on this and make it all a little bit bigger. So I'm going to come down here to maybe like 18. That looks good. So I'll click on 18, and so now it's all that way. So now what I want to do is this right here, it says please click here to see my website on the different products. I'm going to put my mouse right here, click down on my left index finger. That's the left click button on the mouse, and I'm going to walk so you can see it's highlighting everything. And I just want to highlight this sentence, that right there. Now I'm going to right click. Oh, I have to first go get something. Hold on. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on that there. You click on it, double, triple click on it, whatever. Make it all blue like this. And then I'm going to right click and a box is going to show up. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on copy. Left click on copy. So I just copied that address. Okay? So I'm going to come back here to my Word document that I'm building for an email. And again, I'm going to put my mouse, either end. I'll do it on this end right here. Click that. Oh, just it highlighted because I'd already highlighted it once before. So now I'm going to right click and I'm going to come down here to the bottom and it says link. See that? Link. And there's a little arrow there. So I'm going to click on that. And then it says, do you want to insert this link right here? I do. I want to put page 14 in there. It's a product only page. So I clicked on that. So now I just made that whole thing a hot link. There was another way to do it, and I'll show you the other way as well. This one here, I want to make the pet page, which is 41. This is page 14. This is the product page. So the whole thing is hot. So when I paste this whole information into an email, when I send it, see how I put it on there and it says My CBD Income 14. Matter of fact, I'm going to change this to a good friend of mine's because he's doing this for. I'm going to edit hyperlink. See where it says right here, edit hyperlink? I right clicked on it. So I'm going to left click on that and it's going to open up the actual address. And so what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to back this out and I'm going to put another, I'm going to back that out and put another person's in here. This is going to say Gig Harbor. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to hit OK. So now that's the link. So now this one, I want to make it a pet page. So I'll show you, and that's page 41. So all we do is right click on this, and now we click right here on this button. Now I could click right here, but I don't want it to be 14. I'm going to show you how to do it a different way. If you come down here and say insert a link, so you click on that, and it opens up a window, and now I'm going to right click, because I've already saved that link. Remember, I went over there, I went over here, and I copied this link. Well, I'm coming back here, I'm going to left click paste. So now what I want to do is I want to click right here next to the 4. I want to back out to 4, back out to 1, and I want to put 41, because 41 is the pet page. And then I'm also going to put Gig Harbor. Gig Harbor from a good friend, my new good friend Bob. So there it is, see? So now I hit OK, and now that link should be that. So now what I'll do, that should be the pet page. So I'm going to copy all this. Like I said earlier, see, I put my mouse right here. It can be anywhere down here, and I hold down the left clicker and go up and highlight it all and let go. Now I'm going to copy it. Right click, left click, copy. And now I'm going to open up an email, which should be already open. Yep, here it is, right here. So now I'm going to come over to this example email to send out to my good friend Bob. Right click on this, right click, down here, left click. And the email, there it is. There's the email. So if I open it up, you can see it's all spread out there, ready to go. So I'll send this off right now. It's ready to go. And when I send it, all I have to do to check to make sure it was working properly is after I send it, I go to my sent. I go to my sent and I click on sent, and it should show it at the top because I just sent it. And I'll open it up and I'll check those links. So there. Open this up. Now I'm going to check the links to make sure they're separated, one not running into the other. So this one should be the product page. So I click on it, and it should open up a different window, right? Just like that. And it should be page 14, product only page at My CBD Income. The reason it's going a little slow is because I'm recording and it takes up some fast user space. So there it is, product 14, Robert Hill, everything's there. That was really cool. And so I'm sure the other one is probably working the same. We'll go in here and take a look at it. Click on the CBD for pets. And this is just a short video just to show you how easy it is to do that. So I don't have to copy in there to make, I don't have to put in there http:// my CBD income, all that. See, and here's page up here, it says page 41, the pet page. So that worked out perfect. So awesome. Short 8-minute video training.